Drink. Out of breakfast.
Something kain tayo.
Well, it was a good place.
How's school natin, Jo? Hi! Hirap din. Blooming. Jo ba? Blooming ka. Puti mo ah. Nagkain niya ako ng 15 pounds. Hold on, Amber.
Wait, Amber. No, don't blow yet. Happy birthday to you.
Did you think it's her birthday?
Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you. It's Tata. Okay, it's Tata's birthday. Okay.
Wish first.
Wish. Close your eyes. Wish. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look at Tata. Tata's wishing. Close your eyes. Look. One, two. Why not look at me? 1, 2, 3. Hey!